Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A13 LTE for Boost Mobile. So Boost Mobile finally has the LTE edition of the Galaxy A13. So Boost Mobile recently just got this phone, but it's been out for over a year now everywhere else. So that is very interesting to me that Boost Mobile decided to get this phone here. Boost Mobile also offers the Galaxy A13 5G also, and they also offer the Galaxy A14 5G as well. So there you go. So this one only has LTE only, so keep that in mind. So it is now available for $49.99. Currently on sale, the full retail price $189.99. Y'all will have a black color option, 32 gigabytes of storage. So it says here designed with practicality in mind. The awesome Galaxy A13 LTE gives you everything you need and nothing you don't to stay connected. So yeah, very nice looking phone and whatnot. So there is front and back. You guys got your V-notch display there. Your front facing camera, earpiece, power, and man keys on the right side of the phone. On the back of the phone is your quad camera setup, camera flash, and your Samsung logo. The right side of the phone is your volume keys, power button, size fingerprint sensor, which is very nice. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here. And then on the back, like I just mentioned, your quad camera setup, camera flash, Samsung logo. There's the front of the phone, and it shows the left side, which has your micro SD and SIM card slot. And there is front and back again. So yeah. So the Galaxy A13 has a 6.6 inch display, Android 12 with One UI 5.0, 50 megapixel main camera, 54 hours of talk time. It says designed with practicality in mind. The awesome Galaxy A13 LTE gives you everything you need and nothing you don't to stay connected. Features: hold on to your memories. Your memories and memories are keepsakes, so keep them. With expandable storage up to 1 terabyte and 32 gigabytes to start. There's room enough for your family pics, your cherished videos, music, and more. Multiple camera lenses to capture your moments. With 4 camera lenses, Galaxy A13 LTE is your best friend for snapping stunning photos and capturing family moments in motion. Say cheese, roll camera, and look back at all your favorite memories. Infinite display for amazing playback. Your pics and vids are the latest in entertainment wherever you decide to play back or play forward. Do so with the wonder of an edge-to-edge Full HD Plus Infinity V display. A battery built without compromise. Text, call, snap, chat, share, work, play. For all the things that get started in your way, Galaxy A13 LTE features a long-lasting battery that helps you power through. Simple, sleek, durable. Galaxy A13 LTE features a simple design wrapped in a glossy finish, and it's durable to boot, making it an awesomely functional phone for your day-to-day. Prioritize your privacy. Galaxy A series help you protect your data with multi-layer security and the ability to privately share your files on your terms. Performance you can count on. Galaxy A13 LTE brings you fast and reliable performance for smooth browsing, crisp pics and vids, fast streaming, and staying connected to loved ones. Specs: the Galaxy A13 has a 6.6 inch Full HD Plus TFT V-notch display, 5000 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging. It has an Exynos 850 octa-core chipset, Android 12 with One UI 5.0. The Galaxy A13 weighs 6.88 ounces. Y'all will also have a quad camera setup in the rear, 50 megapixel main, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth, and a 2 megapixel macro camera lenses in the back with flash, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 3 gigabytes of RAM. It also comes with Type-C charging and Bluetooth 5.0. Your dimensions on the Galaxy A13: 6.5 inches height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. So what comes included with the Galaxy A13 is your SIM ejection tool, Galaxy A13 LTE smartphone, Type-C to Type-C cable, so you guys will need a Type-C charging adapter, terms and conditions and your quick start guide there. Alright. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Galaxy A13 LTE is now here at Boost Mobile for $49.99 currently on sale. So this one only has 4G on this one. There is no 5G on this one, but Boost Mobile offers the 5G versions of the Galaxy A13 and the Galaxy A14. So there you guys go. Boost Mobile finally just got this one a year later after everyone else did, which is interesting to me. But hey, late is better than never, right? So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys next. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.